That means you're above the law, brother. You don't have to answer to no charges, not apply to you. You implicate your parents in your nonsense. You implicate your son in your nonsense, and you say a gift, and you say that, brother. To all the accounting people, we know about cooking the books. All of we will go to college, learn about all of these tricks of checks and balances that you can do to make the books look legalized, and they're not. This is how they teach you to audit the books, the tricks to look for. If the auditor general said 3 trillion is missing, we don't need Fiverr to come with one big yellow book. Come show we say, oh, this is how records are kept. We don't need that. We need the auditor general herself or himself to come and say that this is a lie. But it's not that the money is missing. We don't need to stop it. We don't need to stop it. We don't need to stop it. This is not about loving PNP, loving no JLP, loving no Pharma PR, the UIC. This is about none of them. You ever sit down and you reason out, all right, you acquire all of this wealth. You acquire all of this wealth. You are the head cook and back watcher fight corruption. And you know what I'm declaring? You create the IC. You create them. And all of a sudden, as soon as they start investigate you, they are no longer credible. As soon as they start digging into your corruption, they are no longer credible. You want to disband them and get rid of them because they're no longer working in your favor. But if they were reporting Marky G and others, then it would have been something that is favorable in your eyes, right? See that? The man from Donga St. Lucia, recommend them. Give them praises. Mr. Innocent from Donga St. Lucia gave them their praises. You know what I saw under a Labour right comment? Under the post, a Labour right said, yeah man, never work with the PNP. What? When you go get up off of your ears? When your brain are going to start work? What do you mean? What does that mean? Mr. Innocent says that he commends the work that the IC is doing, the Integrity Commission is doing good work. May I agree? And they shouldn't be disbanded. They shouldn't be disbanded on the basis that they are not acting favorable to certain people in society, government officials or otherwise, whoever they decide to investigate. Ghana so Jamaica for run clean. You get too much millions in a salary, brother. Make your salary do your job, then declare your finances, brother. Declare it. What you have hide? If you have nothing to hide, what you got courthouse go do? As head cook and back washer, what you got to go do? Why go to the courthouse? It is disgraceful. What you got to go do? Then you have the nerve and the audacity to come and call foul play upon the IC. Really and truly? Why? Why call foul play upon them? Tell me now. After you set up you and your wife in a two most dangerous seat in a Jamaica, only a dunce not realize this. You set up yourself in a two, you and your wife, the two holiness, two in one. One sit as the speaker of the house, declaring when investigations into her husband can be tabled in the House of Parliament. And then the husband as the Prime Minister, the main man. How that work? How does that work? Wanna comment, make me read the comments there. Me not join no live with nobody. Me not do no match. Me just there a whole a reason. If you want to talk, you comment in the comment section. Because me no want to hear no PNP, no Labour right foolishness over here, so. Me no want to hear no Labour right foolishness over here, so. Because it is obvious in my mind, so no sit down on the brain. Yeah, man. And the brain a eat poop. Because you not feed no cognitives. No. Not with all the evidence we present itself in the face and you still act like say, you deaf, dumb and blind. When election day come, you go exercise, you franchise, you right for vote. You see all another thing that is very, 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 very alarming. So Jamaica try become a republic, right? Yeah. Them keep some town hall meeting and couple people asked some important questions which Miss Malahufut and others couldn't give answers to. You know what was very alarming to me as a Jamaican citizen when asked about impeachment of the president of this new republic? They had no answers. They said they had to go back to the committee and then come back to us. They never come back to us with no feedback. So we don't know if the president what them going to implant there. And based on the looks of things, it would miss Mr. Holiness. If the president that they're going to plant there, we don't know if that person can get impeached, meaning we can get them out of the job if they're doing wrongs. We don't know that. You know what is another alarming thing? Another alarming thing is we don't know about our voting rights. When they ask Miss Malahufut how the voting are going to go, how is this president going to be appointed? She said she have to go back to the committee. We're going to pull up back the video them and watch them and see if I lie me I tell. I've been trolling this thing ever since they started come about Republic, ever since they started talking about hosting town hall meetings. I've been trolling it. I've made so many videos on it. You don't have answers. Are you telling me that as a Jamaican citizen, I am going to be rid of my voting rights? I am not going to be given the power to decide who I want my president to be in this new republic? That your brother, we want more answers. We want more dialogue and more communication before we enter that journey. Man, we do need that. And you see that little food price something there, that little GCT there where you remove for the food them, where you allow people to import come here. Let me tell you something, brother. Yeah, make the local farmer them suffer. See where War 3 is about to start. We don't know where go on. You need to make it so that the local farmer them can get them produce to their customer. You hear me? I tell you, brother, you need to support local farmer. You need to look upon situations like what in a Burkina Faso, then get them different machines to support farming, brother. You know, act like you help. You say 2 years you promise you prosperity, 2 term. You tell we say 3rd term a few. Say 1st term where you did promise you who then did for you yourself, you enrich yourself. So what you gonna do 2 in 3rd term? Brother, I don't want no more than relationship here. We done. Your relationship will pop off right here, so. Right here, so your relationship end of day. You mad? About 2 term a few with prosperity. And this, you gonna tell with this now, say no prosperity this time, you know, you say a few. So what if we don't get prosperity, and you not tell we exactly what a few, what we are gonna get now? What you have to give we now? Why we must trust you again? Why would I go back into this relationship with your brother? We're done. Jamaica wake up and hold up on the life, share up life and make others see. This is not about lobbying for the PNP. This is about using common sense and exercising our democracy. And in exercising that democracy, you be a patriot. Become patriotic. Become a lover of Jamaica instead of a lover of a party. Yeah, man, die-hearted Jamaican. Passionate about this. But we are going now. Every Sunday we are get all. We are go. You see, pity them we have, a come, them a come. What kind of Jamaica them a go have when we allow politics?